Good morning, guys. I have a show today and I figured I would do a get ready with me video again. I've had a show every weekend so far in January. I did not film the other ones so far, so this will be my second video of January, but my first like get ready with me for the new year. Anyway, let's get ready for a show. So I think I'm going to start my day by taking a shower. First, I'm going to kind of try to get an idea of what I want to wear. Here's the outfit. It's just a pair of black jeans, a little undershirt, and then my t-shirt. I think I'll wear my Taylor Swift cardigan with it. And then I'm thinking these shoes, which I got at Walmart, and they're like hella cute. So I'm gonna hop in the shower now that my clothes are picked out. First, I'm gonna love on the boy, the handsome bong kitty. Look at this handsome guy. Hi, boy. He's laying on the blanket that my clothes are wrapped in. Boop. Okay, we're out of the shower. Well, I'm going to share like my hair routine. I take the Verb leave-in mist, spray it in, then I brush that through. Then I take the Verb Ghost Oil, just work that in. We'll brush in to make sure everything is getting coated. I was using the Verb's curl cream. One of my cats stole that. But in its place, I have been using this Verb curl foaming gel, which I like a lot. I'm gonna take a couple pumps of this, like that. And it says to apply in a praying hands motion, which to me just means scrunch it. This product I won't be brushing through because it would be defeating the purpose of using a curl product in that case. I do that, and then I plop, which if you don't know what that is, that's something that girls with curly hair do as part of their routine. So you take a t-shirt, fold the bottom of it down. Of course, this is a black t-shirt, so you can't really see what I'm doing. Lay it down, do that, wrap it around. And then you use the sleeves of the t-shirt as a tie. While my hair sits in this t-shirt, I am going to put on my makeup, and I figured I would do like a little tutorial. I'm not an expert at makeup. I'm not even gonna say that I'm good at makeup, but I enjoy wearing makeup and putting it on. So I'll show you how I do that.
The first thing that I do is brush out my eyebrow hairs with a spoolie, like that, just to make sure all of the hairs are, you know, neat, I guess. Then I take this little eyeshadow single from Maybelline. It's black. My hair is black. I don't know what color it's in. I think it might be night sky, but the label is ripped off the back. So I take this eyeshadow and this little angled brush, and I pick some of the eyeshadow up, tap the excess off, which is really important, otherwise you'll get like eyeshadow particles, also known as fallout, all over your face. Now I do my eyebrows. I fill them in. I try not to fill them in too much because I do color them to match the rest of my hair, but I like to make them look a little fuller when I do my makeup. So I start from the bottom and work my way to the tail, like that. And then I will dip back in, eyeshadow, tap off the excess, and work on filling in this tail part with the shape of my eyebrow. I'd say the natural shape, but naturally I have a unibrow, so this is not the natural shape of my eyebrows. I do shape them to look like this, but I do it to the shape of the hairs of my eyebrows. And just fill in. And then when it gets to the front, I kind of go upwards into the same direction as my eyebrow hair. Like that. And put a little more eyeshadow on. And put up anywhere that needs a little more space filled in. And then I will take my spoolie again. I just go over to make sure that anything excess isn't stuck on. And again, all of my eyebrow hairs are combed in a pleasing way. Now I will repeat that on the other side. Now, trying to decide what I want to do for eyeshadow. I might pick an eyeshadow from this palette. So I'm going to take this like gold shade that's called Happy Glamper. Or you can even, it's like this gold shimmery shade. I take it on my finger and just put it on my other, and repeat for the other side. And then I'm going to take this fluffy brush that is dirty. All my brushes are dirty. And I'm going to dip it in probably this like, the shade right here called Oasis. It's like a burnt orange. Off the excess so we don't get fallout. And then I'm going to just put that in my crease. Just create some depth.
And honestly, if you guys like makeup tutorials, I can film better ones.
Anyway, I'm going to tap back into the Oasis, knock off the excess, and then I'm going to just put some on my bottom lash line. I don't know if you can really tell what I'm doing because of the light, but I'm doing something. And now I'm going to repeat those steps on the other side. Now I'm going to take my liquid eyeliner. This is from Wet n Wild because it's cheap. I make a line that's like in the same direction as my bottom lash line. And then I start like at the middle of my eye and try to connect. Like, make a line. I make a line from the middle of my eye out to the tail of the first line I drew, or painted, or whatever you want to call it. Like that. I don't know if you can even see what I'm doing. My hand's probably in the way. And then I will come to the, just like, bring the line a little bit further in towards my tear duct, but not all the way. I used to do it all the way, and I still do sometimes. And then just make sure that this line is nice and smooth and bold, and it comes to a nice point. Sailors have said we want our cat eye sharp enough to cut a man. That's my eyeliner. Super simple. Difficult to explain, but I'm bad at explaining things anyway, especially if I'm thinking about it while I'm doing it. Now time to do the other side. I take this eyeliner pencil that's also from Wet n Wild, and you can tell that I don't plan this out. Like, it's just like me doing things how I always do it, spur of the moment. But I just take that eyeliner, follow my waterline, connect it to my tail, yes. Just looks like that. You can tell. I'll show you a better look when I'm done. I'm going to take the same brush that I used for my eyebrows and use that to just kind of like smudge that line a little bit. It's at least as good as it's going to get for today. So now I'm going to take my mascara. It's Maybelline Snap Mascara. That's what it looks like. Has little eyes on it, which is cute. It's supposed to be easier to take off. I have noticed that it is when I do take my makeup off, which is never. No, that's not true. I do try to take it off before I go to bed. And it does come off easier than other mascaras I've used. So, I also like the brush. One more time, put a little bit more mascara on the top, like a second coat on the top lashes only. My highlighter, this is from Becca Cosmetics. It's in the shade Pearl, regular, like white shimmer highlight. On my cheekbone, and bridge of my nose, over my lip. And then I have this little brush, which is also just like a little angled brush. I'll pack that on, put it under my eyebrow, or my eyebrow, And a little bit in this inner corner. Yep. Then I take my Fenty Beauty highlighter, kilowatt highlighter in the shade Chills, which is like a blue purple shift highlight, and I'm gonna just put it on my cheekbones and a little on my nose.
So aside from the minor touch-ups I'll have to do in here, my makeup is done. Take this off. I don't know if you can really tell, but my hair is definitely curling, which I love. Now it's time to finish getting dressed. Here is my outfit. So I have my Old Spice Oasis deodorant. I've mentioned it in the past. I like it because it's not like a super like masculine smell, but it's also not like super feminine. It's very like androgynous. If like scents can have, you know, masculinity or femininity tied to them. I like to pair it with one of my perfumes or like a custom mix, which I think I might do that today, where I do some of this happy birthday buttercream scented body spray from Bath and Body Works. A little bit of that, and then a little bit of this Dream Moon patchouli, sandalwood, and pink rose hair and body mist from Pacifica. Now I need to accessorize aside from my belt. So I have my little Casio watch. I think my wallet is. Oh. We're gonna take a quick detour. Look at these two. Look at you guys. You're so comfy. I love you. So I have my watch on. I have my heart full. I think my wallet might be in the jacket that they are sleeping on. So I might have to leave my wallet at home. Thankfully, I am not the one driving. I think I might put on a vest. I already have a belt on. I think I might want to put on a vest because I'm feeling a little self-conscious today. That is the appropriate move. I'm gonna put my shoes on and check back in. Here's my outfit of the day. This is from Goodwill. The pin I designed. The shirt's from Walmart. The undershirt's from Walmart. Like I said, the jeans are from Old Navy. The shoes are from Walmart. Now I guess the next step would be eating and loading the car. So that's what we're gonna do. Good morning, Gandalf. How are you? Hi, Annie. I wanted to give you guys a little update at the end of this video about the 2023 goals that I shared with you in one of my last videos. Actually, I think it was my last video that I uploaded. So far, I've not been meeting those goals, but sometimes it is more important to prioritize your mental health than the goals you might have like set for yourself. So I'm trying to be easy with myself and just be like, hey, I didn't reach the goal now, doesn't mean I won't at some point later on down the road. So but yeah, so if you want to see more get ready with me videos, let me know. If you have any other video ideas for what you'd like to see on this channel, let me know. So yeah, I have a few ideas. I'm not gonna talk about them because I don't want to like promise something that I don't end up delivering. So yeah, anyway, I hope that you have a great rest of your day. Thank you for spending part of it with me. Feel free to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications so you're notified every time I upload. And if you want to follow along with my musical journey, you can find the link to my link tree in the bio. Until then, I hope you have a great time. And I know I already said that, but why not say it again? Bye!